Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 3, basic discussion, and question number 18 I will solve here today. Dear students, this chapter we have discussed in the half yearly examination. Basic concepts of this chapter we have discussed. To solve the problems of this chapter, you have to know the basic concept. These concepts are discussed in this book at page 29. Here, concept of measurement and units. Measurement in metric system. It means that different types of systems of measurement is discussed in your book. You have to read that, and we have discussed these units of measuring length from page 31. Relation between British and metric system. Here you will see the next page 32. Measurement of weights, metric units of measurement of weights. Then some formulas are given, necessary formulas. It means relation between different types of units. And then go to the next page, measurement of volume of liquids. And here are some units given. Read all the tables very carefully. Here are some informations given. Here is a remark given. Read this very carefully. Here is another table given, measurement of area. It means that three formulas given here to measure the area. Then go to page 35, metric units in measuring area. Here is given. In this table, metric units and local units are given here. You have to read this. Relation between metric and British system in measuring area. The relation between metric and British system is given here for area. This is another table given here. Relation between metric, British and national units in measuring area. Relation of among these units given. And go to the next page, volume. Here the formula of determining volume is given, and metric units of measuring volume is also given here. Page 38, relation between metric and British system of volume is also given in this table. The students, these informations you have to know to solve the problems of this chapter. You have to know this information, and from this information some MCQ may come in your exam. So learn these informations very carefully. The students, now I will solve the question 18 from exercise 3. Question 18 I have written here. Dear students, now see the question. Gold is 19.3 times heavier than water. The length of a rectangular gold bar is 7.8 centimeter, breadth is 6.4 centimeter, and the height is 2.5 centimeter. What is the weight of the gold bar? What is the weight of the gold bar? It means that we need to find the weight of the gold bar. Dear students, suppose this is the gold bar. The length of the gold bar is, the length of the rectangular gold bar is 7.8. Breadth of the gold bar is 6.4. and height of the gold bar is 2.5. The students, as the length, breadth and height of the gold bar is given, we can find the volume of the gold bar, and you know the volume of solid can be compared with the volume of water, and if we can find the volume of water, that we can convert the weight of that water, and if we can convert the volume of solid into the volume of water, and then we will get the weight of the solid. And here is an information given, gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than the water. So if we get the weight of water, then we will get the weight of the solid by multiplying that weight of water by 19.3, as gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than the water. So let us start the solution. Dear students, here given the length of the gold bar, given the length of the gold bar is 7.8 centimeter. The breadth of the gold bar is 6.4 centimeter, and the height of the gold bar is 2.5 centimeter. The students, we know the formula to determine the volume of a rectangular solid. So we can write here, we know volume of rectangular solid, the product of length, breadth and height, and the unit of measuring volume of solid is cubic unit. Here the unit is given in centimeters. So when we will find the volume of the gold bar, we have to write the unit cubic centimeter. So we can write, therefore the volume of the gold bar, volume of the gold bar, it means that we have to multiply 7.8 means length, 6.4 means breadth and 2.5 means height. As the unit is given in centimeter, so we have to write the unit cubic centimeter. Dear students, you know cubic centimeter, in short if you want you can write as CC, as CC. CC means cubic centimeter. Now multiply this 3, you can show the multiplication here. 6.4 multiply by 2.5, 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30 and 2 32. Now 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. So we can write here 0, 8 to 10, 0, 1 left, 3 to 5 and 1 6, 1 16. we have to put the decimal. After decimal, here is 1 digit, here is 1 digit. So we can write here. We can put the decimal, coming 2 digit left. So 16. Now we have to multiply 7.8 by 16. Do the multiplication. 6 8s are 48. So we can write 8 here. 6 7s are 42 and 4 46. Now 1 digit done. 8 ones are 8, 7 ones are 7. So we can write here 8, 6 and 8 14, and 7 and 4 11 12. So we can say the product of these three is 124.8 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the gold bar is 124.8 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of solid. So now we have to consider this is the volume of the water. It means that the weight of the same amount of water, at first we have to find out. So we can write, we know the weight of one cubic centimeter pure water is 1 gram. Therefore, the weight of 124.8 cubic centimeter pure water is we have to multiply 124.8 by 1 gram. So we can write here 124.8 gram. The students, now this is the weight of same amount of water. Now the gold bar is 19.3 times heavier than water. So if we multiply 124.8 by 19.3, we will get the weight of the gold bar. So we can write as gold is 19.3 times heavier than water. So the weight of gold bar weight of the gold bar weight of the gold bar is, we have to multiply 124.8 by 19.3 grams. Now dear students, this is simple multiplication. You can use simple calculator to do the multiplication. If you multiply these two, you will get 2408.64 grams. I did not show the multiplication. You can do using simple calculator. The students, this is the required weight of the gold bar. So we can say answer of this question is 2408.64 grams. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do this question as your homework. This is your homework 14. Submit your homework on next Sunday. The students, you know, homework is important for annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.